Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's great and, you know, all is well. And let's just start off the day with talking about what is AZ 500. But first, I'm going to start my day with a can of Red Bull. Not like if Red Bull sponsors me or anything, but when you work 14-hour days and you're in DevOps, you need a big kick in the, what's it, you know? Yeah, actually, if you were in DevOps and and you were compare that to sport, my DevOps is like extreme games, Red Bull. So fuel up, buddies. You're going to need it. Anyway, let's talk about what AZ 500 is, right? And let me share with you what I've seen change my career from taking my exam, what the exam actually encompasses, and what to expect. So, AZ 500 simply is talking about Microsoft security elements, not necessarily um, their products in line with everything like that. It's how do you secure their environment? How do you secure your environment using Key Vault? How do you secure your environment with, is there a security center if you want to learn that? MSGs, understand a little bit about networking, privileged identity management, protecting data, very, very important, and basically that's it in a nutshell. That's what AZ 500 is about. AZ 500 is an introduction to those elements about the security components required in for Azure. Now, will AZ 500 make you the best Azure security engineer there is? Not necessarily, because there's other examples of security, like, if you're in DevOps, just as I alluded to, you need something like Sonar Cube or Sonar Cloud or whatever it is to analyze like best practices for your data. So, those are the things that Azure Security Center, Azure 500 got too much Red Bull. That's what AZ 500 will cover, and those are basically in a nutshell what it will be. Now, AZ 500, doing the course, the free Microsoft training, doing and check out my other videos because I actually do cover how to acquire your AZ 500 certificate, your Azure Security Engineer Associate. And the way it has actually changed my career is that each and every time that I implement some sort of code using ARM template, Terraform, or any elements like that, or if you're creating landing zones or creating data, the first thing you think about is how do I make this very secure? Am I using a policy? Oh yeah, the cover policies as well, but are you using a policy that will help you ensure that the password being used for, like, say, SQL is long and very hard to crack and break? Those kind of things. Are you using Key Vault? Are you using any of those elements in for the Azure security environment, or Azure, sorry, to ensure that nobody's actually going to get into the environment to break anything maliciously, protect your data. So those kind of things. So, it also covers things like SQL injection. It covers things like DDoS. It covers a whole lot of things at a very high level, but it actually does make you fully aware of how to ensure that your environment is secure. So, that's it in a nutshell. Would I recommend taking AZ 500? You bet you. And would it increase your salary? It would. It probably knock it up about another 10 grand a year if you're in permanent. For contracting, probably boost it up by another 100. It ensures that the person that's actually hiring you knows that you're taking your career seriously, not just because you've got the knowledge, but because you're actually interested in getting more in-depth skills with the topic at hand. So, and that's it. If you like anything that I've said, I pass the video on so that it helps other people. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel so that if you like any of the videos that I'm actually, producing or anything sort, and it is helping your career, please subscribe so that you don't miss anything else. Anyway, I'll start the day off. You have a good one. See you soon.